Another day, another vlog, man. Today dope, and I say it's dope because I woke up this morning. Other than that, today it's some bullshit. Even though I started off. Yeah.
2580.
Yeah. Kiki 2580. I told him we don't need. We can go ahead and.
Yeah, no, but since he's already coming, he's gonna give me a hand to set this real quick.
Oh, okay. Safe Light repairs, Safe Light replace. That bullshit. Look at my Range Rover, bro. My window was gone. My window was missing. Ghost, what happened to it? Evidently, the other one got messed up. How'd that happen? I don't think I want to broadcast that on YouTube. I can't lie and say, oh yeah, I just woke up and it just. But that's not the case, bro. I just gotta help him get this shit fixed.
Hold up. 30 minutes today before you drive it.
Yeah.
No car wash for 2 days. Remove the tape tomorrow morning.
And everything on there working.
Yeah, well, yeah. Hook up everything back up.
What about the new windshield wipers?
I got you.
You put them on there already?
Yeah, say Safe Light on them.
Oh, okay. Yeah, I need my whole package, nigga. Don't just give me the fucking window. Got my panels off. This is sad for me to only have this truck for like a month and a half and it's already detached. Like, I'm a fucking loser, man. Look, this is how I feel to drive this bitch, but anyway, man, that's how my day started off. Window on Range Rover, $1,300. Let me tell you how they tried to twist me though. That's the Safe Light people, safelight.com. That way, did I just get them? That's the people. I'm giving no free advertising over here, but look. When I did my get up online, and it's something y'all need to pay attention to. When I do, look, I did my order online because everything is online nowadays. Like, okay, I need a window, my front window broke. Everything to the T. Safe Light windows, we want the new windshield wipers so they can complement, you know what I'm saying? When he get here, you see it was two of them. At first it was just him by himself. When he get here with my windshield, he put it on there. And at the bottom of it, it say like some kind of aftermarket Chinese bullshit. Like, I'm like, bro, what is this? It didn't say Range Rover. The window got a MasterCard to me. I'm like, bro, what is this? Oh yeah, that's the aftermarket one. Woo, woo, woo. Bitch, I ain't paid $1,300 for no aftermarket with a Range Rover. Oh, we thought you wanted. And then kind of find out the aftermarket went only $500. That mean they would have got on with me for like $800 something. Ha! Good thing I peeped that out. So old boy had to come over here with the Range Rover window, the windshield, and then put it on there and get that aftermarket shit the fuck up. You know what I'm saying? Starting my day off bad as hell. Out there for 30 minutes arguing with dispatch like, bro, you paid for this? How the fuck you did? Well, we can do it because I have my debit card. I paid $1,300 for a Range Rover window, bitch. The fuck you mean? Blank. Anyway, day officially started. I'm about to get over here to the DMV, something I dread to do. But the good thing about the DMV, my homegirl work up there, so I got the hookup. When I say I got the hookup, I mean, right now with Las Vegas, they not doing no appointments, bro, and I cannot, and it's not me tooting my horn or no shit like that, but I cannot sit up in the DMV no more. I done tried it last time. Everybody keep coming up to you and take pictures, can't get your shit done, then you start feeling awkward, and then you just start telling motherfuckers no. Like, bro, I'm at the DMV, catch me another time. And then that make you seem like an asshole. But anyway, my homegirl, she one of the managers up here. I'm gonna get up there, go to the I'ma go to the fucking front desk, hit her up, and she said she gonna expedite me straight up in there. I'm gonna be G462 or K133 or some shit like that. But as soon as I get in there, I'm getting straight up out of there. Another thing, yes, I did just get my window fixed. Oh boy, at Safe Flight gonna try. If y'all ever see somebody get their front window fixed, they be putting like tape up here in the corners, like one right here and one right there. He gonna say, yeah, keep that on your car for 6 hours. So, you know, basically you will be all right. And I'm like, bro, look, I respect people and I know how, like, this nigga been doing this way before me. I don't know nothing about windows. I don't know nothing about installing windows. I don't even know how to clean these bitches properly. But what I do know is if this window ready to go, like ready to fly off, that tape not stop this shit. This window is like 100 pounds, bro. You put 2 stripes of blue duct tape, that's not stopping this. It's not, bro, but yeah. To the DFE we go. Oh, Ghost, you ain't gonna be in here no longer than 20 minutes, I promise. No longer than 15 minutes to be real with you. Yeah, we finna see, bro. Y'all look at the time right there. That's say, what, 8:31? Flying back in his car by 8:51. Well, I just start my car. If I ain't back up in here by 8:51, well, 8:52 now. I'm tripping. DMV gang, well, not DMV gang, cause don't nobody want to be from this shit, but I'm about to hit the DMV real quick. All right, wait, that don't count. We gotta say 8:54 because I was looking for my paperwork. We should be good now, though. And don't be looking like, man, this DMV ain't even crowded. Understand this, they line on the inside. They fool motherfuckers.
Serving H01. 8 to 4 on Saturday.
I wouldn't even be at no DMV on no Saturday.
You're here though.
That's because they closed on me, shit.
What do you mean?
They closed on me. Because I always heard if you come to the DMV late, I always heard if you come to the DMV late,
maybe
that you can
stop listening to other people.
You never told me.
No.
All right,
Because I'm not
then.
going to tell you to come in at the
What time? What's the best time?
Honestly, the end of the day.
See, man, you cat for real. Fresh out the DMV, I'm about to see what time it is, bro. We was right there bullshitting for a minute, but yeah.
Donde la parte de la cocina ahí.
What's up, bro? I look out for my squad. Fuck you mean? Yeah. I think I got a problem. B. What time is it? What time is it? Pull up, motherfucker. What the fuck? Where the time at? Oh, 9:01. 8:54, 9:01, 7 minutes. That's cool. In and out of there. It would have been quicker than that, but I promise we were just right there bullshit for a minute. Other than that, straight to the east side. My bro is fresh out. About to go chill when he probably eat up, because I know you tired of eating them sandwiches, nigga. Garbage ass oatmeal they got. I swear to God, every time I go, look, every time I go to jail, I promise you, it's only 2 things I look forward to. It's the juice and the cookies. And sometimes, well, oh yeah, and the fruit. You know what I'm saying? Anything else, if you ain't got no commissary, you can't go get you no Snickers or something, nigga. When you get home, a chopped up hot dog fried with some eggs and some onions and some bell peppers is the best meal in the world. So I'm about to go take my bro out to eat. What the fuck y'all think? Nigga, we got I got tags on the Rover. Yeah, let's go.
You know, Boots is scary, right? So.
Nobody kept on messing with him last night.
Taisha. Like what? They always see you when you cute. You know you got them.
Don't do me like that.
You know you got
like,
them.
For real spit. Please don't. I'm gonna be so.
Asia, what are you doing? Why are you hugging them like that?
Seriously, stop, cause I really got fans out here. Seriously.
This says she got fans
I
out here.
really do. I swear to God.
Oh, I'm about to watch these. Oh God! Look at my look at my. Ooh, I don't know how this shit just happened. All I did was wash my car and go to the DMV. You know what I'm saying? So I'm about to take this off. Get it up here. And wash this up in the sink, bro. Cause I'm not finna be flying around like this. In the road with some dirty ass shoes. Look at my mama's shower seat. She sit on this in the shower, bro. Old people shit. If I get that old smoking, hold on. Fresh out with the extras.
Don't be here blasting my mama's stuff.
What, her shower seat? What about it?
Don't be here blasting.
Fuck that seat. Look at my shorts, but I don't know how none of this happened on this side or this side. But I guarantee you, this is not ASAP. Oh, we got the GoPro, so all you dirty niggas that don't take showers, tipping straight off this. Hey, look. Up here acting like they want to see me wash them shorts. These niggas want to see me in my drawers. 40
What's up? Where you at?
I'm in Vegas, nigga. Let me see your face, nigga. Hey, look, I got my vlog camera out, bro. I'm gonna put you on my vlog, nigga. I'm vlogging.
Swear to God, I'm on your vlog?
Yeah, that's what I just said.
Nah.
Where you? I'm tripping. You don't want to be on my vlog, then? Where you at?
South Central.
Where at?
Oh yeah, South Central though.
In California, nigga.
Nigga, where the fuck at in South Central, nigga?
In LA, nigga.
This nigga stupid. Who hood you in, bro? That's what I mean. Damn. South Central got like 40 hoods in this shit. Who hood you in, bro?
In LA.
Where? Who hood you in?
Where hood you at? What street you on?
On 50th Street.
And what?
In LA.
This. Oh, you made my brother leave, bro. You made him leave, nigga. We need the streets, nigga, so we can know who hood you in, bro. You keep saying LA. 50th Street don't mean shit. 50th Street run through like 40 hoods, nigga. Where are you at? Give me a cross street.
Right there.
Nigga, that's the only thing I know, nigga.
You ain't.
I'm just on the 50th Street in LA.
I'm on 50th Street in LA. All right, what's up? What's up? Hey, I'll fuck with you though, bro. I'm gonna hit you next time.
Alright.
Alright.
Shit. This girl, come on, I just got this stop me, please. Man.
What's up? Hello? It looked like they. Who was that? Was that a female or a dude? I'm trying to point my camera.
Hold up.
What's up?
Can you hear me?
Oh, it's a female. Put your face down. I can
Can you hear me?
Yeah, now get your hand off your face and look in the camera. Get your hand off your face. Get your hand off your face. You gonna make me sock you. You gonna make me sock you.
All right.
Get your hand off your face and talk to.
Females be trying to look so
What you doing? What you doing?
I went live with you like a couple months back with a group of heads.
You said
You
with a
remember
girl?
the Mexicans?
The Mexican girl?
Yeah, with a group of heads. Yeah, it was like a group of heads, like a bunch of boys were with me.
For real? I think so. I'll be calling groups every. Oh, that's your nigga behind you. I see an arm. Look. Put the camera on
that's my brother.
Nah, that's your nigga.
That's my brother.
Yo.
Oh, my mama, that's my brother.
Oh.
That's my niece.
Hey, that look like
She said hi.
that movie Friday where she was like, what bitch you was with last night? She was laying in the bed and you see the niggas in the background.
No, you didn't. Don't do me. That's my brother.
I ain't go to the motherfucking show last night.
Shit, so right now, y'all know I'm doing the backpack drive. Yeah, this is the parking lot it's gonna be at on the corner of Desert Inn. I'm gonna have it all right here on the corner of Desert Inn and what's that, Vegas Valley or Nellis or some shit like that. Yeah. But also, I'm gonna have a barbershop involved, so that's who we finna go holla at right now. Yeah, the whole community finna be a part of this one. Cause it's finna be big in the month.
It just shows that how it pays off. Wherever you heard from, or some of the people that you
Yeah,
never realized that have.
Huh? What, the drive? Yeah, that shit is a go. I think we're looking at like, this is upside down. Well, look, August 11th, man. Y'all need to get out here. Desert Inn and Nuggets right there in the corner. And like he said, and it's upside down. It's bothering me. Hold on. But no, what we gonna do is, I was up beside the barbershop. I'm having them part of it because also with the kids, 13 and under or 12 and under, bro. That day on that Sunday, it's right before school. The haircuts will be free. 13 and 12 years and under. Please hear me. You know what I'm saying? I'm paying these barbers to go ahead and give free haircuts. Y'all grown, if you older than that, bro, you can come up with your little, you know what I'm saying? This whole little get up is really for junior high schoolers and elementary. Even the backpack drive, they're gonna be their size, so. Yeah, man, y'all get out here. I think it's August 11th. If it's not August 11th, just know it's gonna be that Sunday right before school. Yeah, bro, I'm finna end this vlog right here. Snack on these churros I got and probably just get at y'all tomorrow. I would invite y'all in, but my house dirty as hell. I'm be 100 with y'all, so yeah, till next time.